Here we come to the elevator at the Quality Inn on Airport Boulevard in Mobile, Alabama. It's an Otis LRV from 1992 with older Series 1 fixtures. This is the hotel that I'm staying at. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna do a hotel tour here. I'm sorry, y'all. I need to save memory. So there will be no hotel tours. 3. This is a fast hydraulic elevator. Here's your ADA phone. This is one of the fastest hydraulic elevator that I've ever been on before. These are your older Series 1 fixtures. This is the view of the cab. This thing is fast. I mean, look at this. I didn't even expect this elevator to be this fast before. And it's also not very common to see a hospital-sized 2-speed door elevator in a motel like this. Anyways, I'll let you see how fast, how quick this thing travels from all the way up from the 1st floor to the 3rd floor. Dude, this is beyond fast, y'all. I didn't even expect to be this fast. This is one of the fastest hydraulic elevators I've ever been on in my whole life. I mean, this is mind-blowing, y'all. This almost feels like traction. All right, let's go to 2. I'm gonna go up to 2 and back down to 1 just to show how fast this thing is. This is beyond fast. See if it has classic leveling. Nope, it does not. All right, we're gonna go, we'll take it for one more ride and then we'll end. The bulb was burned out on the 3rd floor. But yeah, guys, I'm sorry I'm not gonna do a hotel tour because I'm too lazy to, and I need to save memory for a big adventure that I'm having in Atlanta, Georgia. All right, let's go back down 2. Actually, we'll go back down to 1 and end on 2. Man, this is fast. Actually, no, I'm just gonna end the video on the 1st floor. I'm tired. There it goes, and that's it.